Welcome to RCE Finance Guide, your one-stop destination for mastering the world of personal finance and making your financial dreams a reality. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable financial insights. Selling your old stuff online can be a great way to declutter your space and make some extra money. Here's a detailed guide on how to do it. 1. Gather and organize your items. Start by identifying the items you want to sell. This could include electronics, clothing, furniture, collectibles, or anything else you no longer need. Clean and organize the items to ensure they are in good condition. Cleanliness and presentation can significantly impact the sale. 2. Research the value. Determine the current market value of your items. You can do this by searching for similar products on online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. This will help you set competitive prices. 3. Choose the right platform. Select an online platform to list your items. Popular options include eBay for a wide range of items, including collectibles and electronics. Amazon, ideal for new or lightly used items, especially electronics and books. Craigslist, great for selling locally, mainly used for furniture, appliances, and larger items. Facebook Marketplace, another option for local sales, good for a variety of items. Poshmark or Depop, specialized in clothing, shoes, and accessories. 4. Create detailed listings. Write clear and detailed product descriptions. Include the brand, model, if applicable, condition, size, color, and any defects. Use high-quality photos with good lighting. Take multiple pictures from different angles to showcase the item's condition. 5. Set a competitive price. Price your items competitively, considering their condition, brand, and market demand. Be open to negotiation, but also set a minimum price you're willing to accept. 6. Shipping and delivery. Decide whether you'll offer shipping or prefer local pickup. If you're shipping, calculate shipping costs accurately. You can use online calculators provided by shipping carriers. Choose a reliable shipping method and package items securely to prevent damage during transit. 7. Payment methods. Determine how you'll accept payments. Common options include PayPal, Venmo, or direct bank transfers. Be cautious of potential scams and only accept payments from trusted sources. 8. Promote your listings. Share your listings on social media, among friends and family, or in relevant online communities or forums. Regularly update your listings and adjust prices if necessary to attract more buyers. 9. Communicate with buyers. Promptly respond to inquiries and messages from potential buyers. Be honest about the item's condition and any potential issues. 10. Transaction completion. Once you've found a buyer and agreed on the terms, finalize the transaction. For in-person sales, meet in a safe public place. For online sales, follow the platform's guidelines for completing the sale. 11. Leave feedback. After the transaction is complete, leave feedback for the buyer and encourage them to do the same for you to build trust and reputation on the platform. 12. Handle taxes. Depending on your location and the amount of income generated, you may need to report your earnings for tax purposes. Consult a tax professional for guidance. 13. Keep records. Maintain records of your sales, including item descriptions, prices, and transaction details for tax purposes, and to keep track of your online selling activities. And that is it for now. Selling your old stuff online can be a rewarding way to declutter and earn some extra cash. By following these steps and using common sense safety precautions, you can have a successful online selling experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial empowerment here at RCE Finance Guide. Until next time, stay financially savvy and take those steps toward a brighter financial future. See you soon.